let's read and go.
ಮಾಡಕತ್ತಿ
ಎರಡು ನಿಮಿಷ read follow. ರಾಘು
ಹೇಳ್ರಿ.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ
ಹಲೋ ಸರ್.
ಕೇಳು
ಸರ್ ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರಣ್ಣ.
ಹೇಳಿ
ಹಾಂ ಈಗ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಲೈವ್ ಅದ ಈಗ.
ಆಯ್ತು
ಹಾಂ ಹಾಂ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ.
Very good afternoon to you all. I am Veena Peligeri, Faculty of BCA. BADA Srimati Bangaramma Surgeon, Arts, Commerce and Science College for Women Vijaypura under IQC Initiative, Department of BCA organizes webinar on the topic Applications of Artificial Intelligence. It's my absolute pleasure to extend a hearty welcome to each one of you present here. We are thrilled to witness such enthusiastic participants and highly lauded audience gathered to deepen their understanding of this significant topic. On this occasion, I would like to welcome today's resource person, Mr. Prashant Kumar, who is the Business Development Manager, Shilpa Technology Private Limited, Pune. Welcome you, sir. And nextly, I would like to welcome President of the event, our beloved Principal, Dr. Y. Tamanna, sir. Welcome you, sir. Next, I would like to welcome IQC Coordinator and the HOD of Education Department, Professor V.S. Nandesh, sir. Welcome you, sir. And as well as I would like to welcome Organizer and Coordinator of BCA Department, Gurraj Kulkarni, sir. Welcome you, sir. And as well as I would like to welcome all the faculty members and participants who are present in this event. Now it's time to introduce our resource person. I would like to call Professor Raghavendra Kulkarni, sir, to give the introductory speech.
So, good afternoon, one and all. I'm glad to introduce our today's resource person, Mr. Prashant Kumar, who is Business Development Manager in Slipra Private Limited, Pune. So, worked as a lead consultant in Cobra Group of as a lead consultant from 2009 to 2010, and in 3G Group Service as a project manager from 2010 to 2013. CNG Stagecraft as a creative director from 2016 to 2021. In CNC Web World Technology Private Limited as a BDM, he is working from 2013 to present, as well as sir is CEO of Slipra Web Technology Private Limited from 2021 to present. Now I will hand over the session to Meena madam.
ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಯಾರ ಅವ್ರದವ್ರು.
हेलो यार म्यूट
Prashant Kumar sir, you can continue the session. No, I'm not.
Understand the English, so I am asking, what is your English 100% or something Hindi also required? I am asking for a student of point of view.
Both, okay, sir. If you can speak in English or
Sir,
Kannada, it's okay, sir.
both languages are okay, sir.
Because what happens sometime, like when we start a session, 100%, like some student, they don't have good communication skills, so they are not able to understand 100% things. So if they understand, people, they understand Hindi in your college.
No problem, sir. In which language you are comfortable, in English or Hindi?
I'm okay with the
No
both the
problem.
language.
Yeah,
I'm
yeah,
proficient
yeah,
with the both English and Hindi. But my
yeah,
my question why? Because the students should understand 100%. It's not like 50% people they understand. So that's why we can go it with that. Okay.
yeah.
So people like your students understand Hindi. That is there is no problem. He
Actually, you can speak in English. It's comfortable.
okay. No, English is fine. No problem. So now I'm sharing my screen. So okay. Can you get confirmation from your side? Are you able to see my screen?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It is
It's
visible, sir.
okay, fine. And audio and videos both is clear, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. No problem with audio and video, sir.
Yes. Okay. So basically, we will start the sessions on artificial intelligence application. I am sure, all of us, we are using artificial intelligence many way, but we are not able to understand is this artificial intelligence. So today we will explain you many more things about that artificial intelligence. We will start from the scratch that we need to understand, like, is this artificial intelligence we are using, and is this a technology, or this is software, this is a programming. But many more things will come from artificial intelligence. So we'll start the basic of artificial intelligence is exactly what is artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is science where just making machines that can think like human, nothing. For example, I am a person who understand artificial intelligence. Suppose I am a programmer. I am a like anything I am doing. Suppose I am thinking, I am working, I am communicating with some person. I am going office and working. Like if come back to home, I am working some household activities. So each and everything can think and implement by artificial intelligence. So if you break these two parts, is artificial intelligence means, suppose I am a human being, we are all human being, but that work is suppose some work that done by me is instead of human, some machine they are doing through our intelligence, that is called artificial intelligence. They can do all the reasoning, all the problem solving. They can understand the comprehend your language also, all the cognitive activities done by the artificial intelligence. So if you understand the artificial in one line, you can simply understand they can replace our human. If they think what different things I can work, same thing that done by machine, that is called artificial intelligence. Okay. So the topic is application of artificial intelligence. This topic where everything is, we can go it with that. Generally, we use in artificial intelligence as a smartphone, social media platform, e-commerce domain, automotive vehicles, security and surveillance, navigation. Also, we can we have a huge use of navigation, banking, finance sector, and smart homes. So these are the few sector I have just give the example that where we can use the artificial intelligence. Apart from that, there all are different things we'll learn later what we use. But now we can break that in use of artificial intelligence. For example, if we use smartphone, how many people understand is AI is used in our smartphone? But there's a many more features we are using in a smartphone. Okay, for a smartphone, you can see the experience like a smartphone uh, maybe around 2000 to 2006 7 8. Most of the people they are using the keypad phone, most brand they are using the Nokia phone. So that time people are not using AI, just whatever suppose you have to dial a number, you can dial a number, you have to play the game, you can play the game, only that things is required. But when the AI started, when like Google launched Android phone, iPhone, and these two. Windows is also a part of there, but Windows is very less. Very few people are using the smart like Windows, so that's why it's not a part of that. But majorly AI implemented into a smartphone, that is Android phone and iPhone. On and how AI impact on our smartphone, that we need to understand, enhance their user experience. For example, we have touch screen, so we can do everything is comfortable, one click you can get everything. Then predictive analysis means what? Suppose you are looking for some information and future information that can be judged by AI of what you have done the last 1 week or 1 month or 2 months or 6 months. That is the time horizon you have to fix, and according to that they can decide what exactly you are looking for. I'll give you the example also that you can understand it better. Predictive analysis. For example, the next part is optimize advertising. Advertising, like suppose you want to buy something, and someone on the social media or on the shopping website, they will give you some suggestions. That is called the advertisement optimization. If you send data analysis, for example, on social media, you can go and you can search shirts or jeans or anything, you can, and you get that suggestion from social media that the price drop, or formal shirt or casual shirt, whatever you are looking for. That is the use of AI, that what exactly you are looking for and what exactly they are delivering to. So that is the use of the efficient data analysis. And why search optimization, that is also part, like when some things you give the command, generally people they are using Siri, or Alexa, so that are part of the voice search command. So these all are the features generally we use in a smartphone. There are many more other features nowadays. Teenager people they use in during the college time. They have to use the filter when they click the picture, and they have to clean the face, like lighting, glowing. There's a many more effects. That is also the part of the AI. People they effect this is the programming, but that is a part of the AI also. Video making, nowadays there is n number of AI tool is available online where you can groom yourself and make up powerful videos. That is by AI also. Oh, we understand the when we understand the next type of AI that there we can use. So these all are the part of the AI that impact in our smartphone. Next, we understand the second part is social media. There's a many more now, uh, basically in college students, 95% people, we can say the 99% people also they are addicted with the mobile. I have given the one presentation in Srinagar college, Lonavala, like 2 to 3 months back, I think. I asked how many people, that is the live that is offline sessions. I asked how many people they are using social media. Not a single person they said I am not using the social media. So now the we all are connected with the social media, and like that the behavior give the data to the AI, and they will give you suggestion according to that. They understand your sentiments. I'll explain you each and everything so you can understand how dangerous is the social media if they are if like our engineers they are not control the our social media. For example, I tell you the sentiments analysis. I'm not giving the political view, but I can give you if we can give the positive way. Suppose nowadays some incident happen. We can see the some news like there's a in Kolkata there's a rape case happen, and there is some post given on the social media like Facebook or Insta. People they start sharing, they post a comment, they like, they share the content. So that give the message how many people are sentiment toward the this this kind of happen. Suppose some like there's a 15th August, that is Independence Day. There's some function that the Raksha Bandhan is coming. People they are started sharing. People get to get like and share. So AI data, what they do, they understand how like how many people of the sentiment of these things. See, these also give the exact data when as a data analyst people they work. So how the people they work, they analyze the data. For example, I tell you, we some iPhone user, there is an Android user. Okay. And for example, they like any model of the Android phone. For example, they like Oppo models, and they like this here and comment of like 10 million people they like. So what Oppo like company they analyze the data. We need to advancement of this mobile phone or something, because they comment in like this camera is not working, there some kind of functionality is not working, we have a problem with the screen. So they everything they read the data and they give the solution that particular company to find the next if you are launching to the next version, there you can implement, then you can use it. So that is called the sentiment analysis. Anywhere you can post on media, you can do marketing, people they start giving the response, and according to that you can make your product better way. People these social media they can use in the politics, they can use the product, they can use the spoil the name, also defame the company's name people they are using. So that is the way of use the social media as a sentiment analysis. Chatbot and virtual assistant, sometimes there's a Facebook, Insta, you can start, we want to chat someone, they are pop up on your screen and they can start the communicating, hi, how are you, then you can start your trend like analysis. And the third is a trend analysis. People initially 2 or 3 years back I was taking session, people say I on the digital, they are the, like they are the digital marketer, they ask, so suppose we I am a digital marketer, then can I send set the trend, like suppose the some news are trending in first trending one, trending two, trending two, trending three, trending four. So that how it's decided by. So it's decided by AI, it's not decided by YouTuber or any like influencer. So how many people they reacted, how many people they connected with that the news, so that decide. I'll give you real time example, just I can show you. uh, for example, you can see on, you can come on the YouTube and you can go on the home page, and then you can see there is topic of the trending. Let me check where is it trending. Here you can click on this trending. Now you can see that trending, you can see Mahindra Thar, you can key on the right uh, new, and now you can see okay. So here you can see the trending hashtag one on trending. It means this one is trending, and who decide that would be decided by AI only. Now it's common like yesterday we had a Independence Day. It's trending on the day two. Just you can open a new tab, and now you can see this trending. Okay, you can see that trending of the is two trending. So fine, so this is the way, like social media anywhere it's implement on that. Okay, so got it, like a trending analysis also. In trending analysis also done by AI only. User behavior predictions, that is also by social media, in social media. For example, how it's user behavior. For example, I like Shah Rukh Khan, I can like the picture of the Shah Rukh Khan. Social AI understand you like the picture of Shah Rukh Khan, it means they will give you recommend of Shah Rukh Khan's movie, Shah Rukh Khan's song, Shah Rukh Khan's image, pictures, they will start suggestions that you can like. The some people, like on YouTube they search like Hindi movie song, some Marathi movie, Telugu movie, they can search. You can start after the one click of that what you are looking to search, they will start recommending you. So that is the power of the AI in our YouTube or social media, you can say. Same See, voice recognition is the same that we type on social media and we get that information. So voice recognition, advertisement marketing, in same thing when people they are into like a Play Store or some kind of there's an option also in Facebook or Instagram where you can buy the product, you can sell the product, like OLX or quicker platform. So there you can also, they can suggest you. For example, you want to buy bike, you can go and quicker you can search a bike, you can see that they start recommending to bike. Okay, and they will recommending, if you start searching the four like pulsar, so they will give you recommendation the pulsar. When after 1 week, if you are not able to buy the you haven't buy the bike, they are started showing the price drop. It means they are pushing you to buy the bike because of the price has been dropped. So this is the way of marketing, advertisement management through the social media by use of AI. Influencer marketing, content moderation, and video filtration. These three parties also used by AI into social media. Nowadays, it's the easiest way to who promote the product to the social media of influencer marketing. Influencer marketing means some, for example, some is educational influencer. They are a stock influencer. They are social digital marketer influencer. Some people they are giving the movies review. So there's n number of social media influencer. You can say the YouTubers also. So what they have own. There is a own, suppose they have a like a 5 lakhs people subscriber, or 5 lakhs people on Instagram, other platforms. Suppose they have 1 million people, they are connected with them. So if you have a subscriber, it not means they are your all videos you're watching. Okay, so AI, how it's happened, suppose they find it out, suppose you are posting like 10 posts or 10 videos, then how many people they are connected with your videos, they are connected with your comment, they are commenting. So that way they analyze and they understand, if you are investing on 1 lakh rupees for one reels or one videos, what is the rate of interest, what is ROI that we can get, like get through the one videos. That is also calculated by AI. So these are these are the biggest, you can say, the calculation and to the get the ROI. ROI means, if students you are not aware, it's a return of investment. Like suppose we have 100 rupees, I want to invest on marketing. So then we have to understand, like out of 100, how much we'll get. Suppose we are making the money of 150 or 200 rupees, it means we have a 2x revenue. Suppose we are getting by investing of 100 rupees, we are getting the 300 rupees. It means we are getting the 3x revenue. So that also calculated by AI on the social media. I hope this is clear till now how it's AI impacting our social media. Next, part of the e-commerce. Just we are just explaining everything. The e-commerce. Normally, when it's come to e-commerce, now everything people they want to they want to buy any product through the e-commerce. Suppose we have a like Amazon, Flipkart. There's many more platform now. People they are delivering in 10 minutes. There's many more platform they are delivering in 10 minutes, 5 minutes. So they are giving. But like how it's happened with the e-commerce domain. See, e-commerce marketing completely based on AI. Okay, they can offer you lower cost. They can be used to sale and lead generation. They have virtual assistants. Virtual assistants, you can go on to Amazon and for you can ask to Alexa, okay, fine, you can buy this. You can give me the some suggestions for my. For example, you want to buy a laptop, you can go and you can Alexa give me some suggestion of laptop. They will give you a number of laptop. You can give the I need i5 laptop, i5 configuration. You need Mac laptop. You can ask. They will give you suggestion to you. So that is part of AI into e-commerce domain. Apart from that, it's a provision to personalized recommendation also. Sometime if you want to buy a mobile, so they will suggest you only the mobile. Next, in e-commerce domain is visual search engine. Visual search engine means what? If you consider nowadays, suppose you want to buy one brand like a T-shirt. Okay, you can just click that image and you can search to the on Google or any Amazon also. You can go and you can search. They will recommend the same color t-shirt. If size is mentioned there, they are visible too, or they can scan your size like ML. Then they can decide, okay, fine, they will get in they will give you suggestion of that particular color and that particular size, that particular brand. So that is also a part of the visual search engine that in the AI in e-commerce domain. So these all are part of the e-commerce domain. If you understand for e-commerce domain is deeply, how it's happened, e-commerce domain, they work in all the sectors. They are connected with a pixel. If people, you are aware about that, not every website have a pixel. It's like a Facebook, or if you are advertising through a Facebook, it's called Facebook pixel. If you are advertising through Google, there's a part of the Google ads. Google ads where we can get that data what exactly we are looking for, and that data will be tracked by pixel code. I can show you if you want to show. I can show the my pixel. This is my like a CNC Wevel website. You can go and you can be a part of that. Okay, you can go on the part of that. For example, this is the website, and we'll just go to the check, and we can search like a pixel. Okay, now here you can see the Facebook pixel code. Okay, so this code if you add in your website, that is part of the digital marketing also. But this code if you add in your website, here they will recommend same thing. Every any e-commerce website they have a pixel. Same thing you can understand the Google Analytics also. Some part of the Google Tag Manager. So here this is the Google Tag Manager. So if you add in your website, so they start the tracking and they can follow your customers. Okay, so that will be happen through the e-commerce domain, because nowadays why e-commerce domain is booming, like 15 to 20 years people they want to buy any product from there, like they can go to the market and they can buy. But now e-commerce domain they track the people, like they are doing the marketing through the hoardings and through audio promotion they are doing. But if for example if you are doing the audio promotion, we have a vehicle, they start singing some songs and they start promoting some product, there is no target marketing. What happened, people just they are advertising. For example, I am giving the one advertisement on newspaper like Times of India. I have one product. So for example we are giving this advertisement for 1 lakh people, but out of them I don't know how many people they are interested in the product. They see me, they understand, they will buy, but there is no target marketing. But instead of that, if you who want to buy mobile, you search the smart mobile phone, Android mobile phone with a 5 GB RAM. For example, you are searching, what happen, they start recommending. So this is called target marketing, and that target marketing help to all e-commerce players to get dominate into the all the sectors, and that done by the tracking, that is through the pixel code, and that pixel code read and analyzed by AI. Understand the what how exactly the e-commerce domain its work. Okay, so next point, I am coming to automotive drive. I think many people they are get understand the Elon Musk. They have started a driverless car, but you know how it's worked driverless car, and that is completely done by AI. I'll give you first example. I can show you. You can see that car how driverless car works. You can see the car in front of there is a radar. Here is the radar. It decide how much distance we have to maintain from the car that is in front of me and behind of me. So that decided by the radar. Then the camera which decide, they do the object recognition, how we have to maintain the what the different activities they have to work to our on board and unit these part where everything is programmed there, and that will decide we have to stop the brake, we have to take accelerator, how much speed we required for the car. So everything is decided by this onboard unit. And wheel encoder, they check your wheel is working fine or not. Sometime gari got sometime car got puncture, so or some wheel is not working, balancing is not working, so that would be decided by wheel encoder. GPS decide which location we are. So here GPS, like generally we use Google Map to go it will also come on navigation part, how the GPS work. So that will be decided by this is the like basic things I just explained you when is start a driverless car. Okay, so this one, but when these are the basic part, but when we understand how it works, but these all are the functionalities uh, implemented into the AI to make a driverless car, and that is used in automated drive. Like they have object detection, they have eye tracking, safety system, like how then the virtual assistants, if some instruction you have to give, for example you want to give the I have to go airport, so they will ask which airport you want to go, and they will set there the navigation in the map through the mapping system. Then you can go driver monitoring. You can monitor driver also where where the car is going for. Gesture control. Sometimes people there's a car is coming from next to me. So what happens? Suppose we evac that. We have we so for example we are scared with that. So that time AI will decide. Okay, you are afraid of something. So they stop the car. So that is gesture control. Suppose you have a hand movement, you have face movement. They also control in that. Speech recognition and voice recognition. These all are the functionality you can say. Okay, connected with that our automotive drive auto like autonomous in auto vehicle. So these all are the best in our AI functionalities. Do you think then these are the emerging? Maybe after 10 to 15 years it's already happened to driverless car, but after like 10 to 15 years you who might be understand there is no need of you have to just buy car and automatic car will drive. No need to who hire any drivers. You don't need to learn driving. Just you have to buy a car and you can go anywhere. So that is the future of AI coming in coming year in India. Okay. Now, one part is also I'm coming nowadays. It's happened with the surveillance AI, security point of view. So where we are using traffic light, also we are using like how they object recognition, behavior, people, facial recognition, then the customized solution also they have the real time decision making, predictive, and the pattern recognition. See, these all are like AI surveillance, how it's use our data. For example, we are going somewhere and some kind of irregular activities happen. Some traffic is there. Some people, you have seen some movies. Some people they just I forgot the name of the movie. He the CCTV camera they click that picture, and then they start recognizing where he is, and whenever he go to that particular city, he that pattern recognize that where you are going, and that the map app is given to the database center, and they recognize and they follow them, and they track that like people they are some kind of doing the theft activities. So that is also help when we are into security part, we are into surveillance part, object recognition part also for the part of the AI that they understand. Okay, so interesting. People they are enjoying and just they are getting boring. You are enjoying. Okay, so next we are coming to the part of the navigation. This is the very interesting part. I think people you are watching, you can very few people know. Suppose I have to go Pune, I have to go station or airport, but how like map decided like we have a traffic after 2 kilometer or after 3 kilometer. How you decide? So people, I one day I was I was going to airport. I asked to driver. So you tell me how you decide. Like we have a traffic after 2 kilometer by Google Map. सो ही सेड कोई वहां पे बैठा होगा वहां पे डेटा डालने के लिए। तो मैंने बोला कितने सारे लोग हैं, कैसे डेटा डालेगा? तो नहीं नहीं, गूगल कुछ भी कर सकता है। तो आई आस्क्ड द ड्राइवर, बिकॉज यू आर यूजिंग ओला एंड उबेर, बट यू शुड नो हाउ द डेटा डिसाइडेड द ट्रैफिक। नो, so I'll tell you, no one is sitting there to give the data. We have a traffic in this road. Okay, it's not a radio mirchi, or they will say, okay, some RJ is telling you don't go this way, a traffic is there, you have to move to right and you have to go to other way. So this is not a radio like RJ, they are announcing that. That is done by AI. And now you have to understand how AI decide the traffic in your way. Okay, so this is the basically AI, or this is the part of the algorithm. AI algorithm can analyze vast amount of data such as historic traffic patterns, road conditions, and user preference to generate a personalized and efficient route. So this is the way that AI decide the data. I'll tell you the in a very simple language how AI understand. For example, I am you can consider I have a machine that AI to collect the data. Okay, and AI getting the all the data. There's a one way. There's a one place. People they are connected. They are coming the four way. People they are coming in for different way, and they connect with one people. You can understand that people they are coming 20 kilometer per hour. Some car they are driving 40, then 50, then 60 kilometers. Okay, in after 1 kilometer, after 1 kilometer, what happened? They stop the car, and they are coming to the 10 kilometer, 5 kilometer, 8 kilometers their speed because of the traffic. So AI will not tell you there is a traffic. AI will tell you this is the way, this is the road is going towards the airport. So there, what happened? People they stop the speed. It means there is some problem is there. Okay, what problem? Then that program has been written. Either it may be the traffic, or it may be like the blockage of road. Okay, but if people they return, okay, from so for example, we are going to airport and we return in between, it means there is a problem with the road. Like either is road blocked, or there's something. If one or two vehicle has been, like there's some problem, they stop the vehicle. But the major, suppose there are 100 vehicle going towards airport, but out of them one or two maybe there's some problems vehicle they stopped, but rest of 90 95 vehicle you can consider they are going slow. It means there is traffic. So this kind of the program I'm already written for the like when they start the navigation part. So AI, what they do, they detect the data and they understand, and they will let you know this traffic. If some person like 80%, 90%, I'm not sure the data because it's repetitive by on R&D department of the AI, right? How much data it's happened. So that data will decide we have a traffic, we have a road blockage, we have a water, we have a some kind of incident happen, accident happen. So they will decide it by data. So now most of the students they say we have a traffic, but you don't know why, how it's decided by traffic. So that decided by AI. So AI collect the data of people there around them, and then they decide the traffic. Then you understand, okay, fine, we have a traffic after 1 kilometer, 2 kilometer, that will decide. Do you think this is very interesting? When first time I know this is the way, I feel wow, how AI is working and making the life easy. We can understand like we have to go for like 50 kilometers. Now I can understand how much time we have to reach to 50 kilometers. So my destination time is clear because of the AI. But otherwise, what happened? Like before. 15 to 20 years back, we have to go for airport, and maybe to take 1 hour time. When we reached half an hour, it decided by traffic, and we will reach to destination after 2 hours. So that the AI will help you out for the navigation and mapping point of view. Okay. So next, I'm coming to the next point. Is a banking finance sector. Okay, many people they are not as students, but college professors. They are getting the call from you have to buy a credit card, debit card. You have to take a loan. These kind of things happen. So that kind of things can be banned by AI only. and how it's happened. I'll explain. Then I'll explain you these all the process, cyber security and fraud detection by AI, and how it's happened. For example, we have one phone number. I'll call 200 people in a day. Okay, and some call connected, some people, some call is not connected, and some call through that phone number. They they complain, and they are giving the same repetitive answer of that questions. They're asking the same script. They are like they want to sell something, they want to make you fool something. And when they complain, so that data organized by AI, and they will give you this is the fraud number. Or there's a one option is also in Truecaller. You can make it a spam. How the spam? Because one, you are the person who are giving the data to Truecaller that this number is not relevant to me. For example, some people they are calling. You have to buy SIM card. Okay, you have to take a credit card. So maybe like they are giving the 200 call one from one number. So after 2 to 3 months, they get the data and they start the blocking. They give you suggestion with a red, like sign that this is the spam number. So that is also helping to get that fraudulent. Chatbot is also where you can use. In chatbots mainly what happen, like it's not a human, just you have to ask the question, they will give you answer. For like how the chatbot programmed, I'll tell you. For example, you have to 10 questions. Okay. And suppose you have a client in IT company, they'll ask what is the this is my product. They'll ask, okay, what is it? Tell me the product. So what kind of technology you have used, and they give you answer. What is the budget? How many days it will take time? So generally FAQ, most frequent questions asked. You can make the chatbot generally asked by your customers, and you can make, so you don't have to repetitive answer with the user. Generally what happen, you are giving some like human being, you have to give the 10 times the same questions answer, you get irritated. So that the that the things we can implement into chatbot. Whatever things you can press one, press two, press three, you will get that answer. You no need to connect with the people. So that is a program to the chatbot. Loan credit card decision also taken by AI. I'll tell you how the bank people they use. Suppose you are getting the SMS of like your amount is deducted, and you have a bank balance of 1 lakh rupees or 5 lakhs rupees. You are getting the SMS, okay, and some through the credit card or debit card you are using, and some you have applied one time for the credit card. It means which credit card using, what is like limit of that particular credit card. So that the data deposit in data center, and they use their the decision. For example, you are applying for the loan, so that data automatic decided by AI tools, and they will offer you the some loan. You can get the like a professional, they get you will get that loan of 5 lakhs rupees, you will get that credit card limit of 10 lakh rupees. So that kind of things is happen through the AI only. Tracking the market trends, that already I have explained through the YouTube. Same thing, you can go in any social media, they will explain your trends also. Data collection analysis, that already explained you. Customer experience, like it's automated system that after the, for example, I'm taking sessions, you like my sessions, your professors and college people, they will send you, okay, how was the session with me, so you can give that. This is for example, they will give you Google form, that is not AI. But when automated system has been built, automatic, it will go to the your link, and then where you can give the behavior. Risk management, basically risk management, where people they use through the stock mutual fund, they are using the risk management, how it decided by there's a few questions, like they will ask like 15 to 20 questions, and after 15 to 20 questions they will let you know what is the capability to take risk. For example, you want to invest 5 lakh rupees into mutual fund or a stock. Okay, so they'll ask like you are a professional, or you have a kids, or you are a single, and how, suppose you have 1 lakh rupees, then how much you can take a risk, how how much amount you have in FD, and how much you have invested, how much you have invested in real estate. So if there's many more questions, according to that question they understand your behavior, and and how much you can take a risk financial, you can, how much you can take financial risk, that would be calculated by AI, and they will give you data program implemented in your applications. And when your stock going up, going down, and they will let you know, okay, fine, now you are getting into loss, you can sell the share, you can exit from that mutual fund. That will be decided by AI also. That is called risk management also. Now it is many AI implementation, software where you can implement the stock and mutual fund. Same things, whatever data they are getting, they can make a regulatory by SEBI, that is for in the banking sector. SEBI, you can say the Reserve Bank of India, you can say they are doing that data. We can predict that what would be the future of that banking and financial sector that happens. And the process automation, as I told you, explain the chat, the questions people they ask, generally questions you have to give the answer. Same thing, you are we are you if you are getting the data, then you can use the automation part of also what is the best for all of you. Okay, so I hope it's clear to all of you about that how AI use in banking sector, you can say the finance sector. Okay, and now it's coming to the smart homes. Smart homes, mainly people they are aware about it now. The security cameras you can take to the mobile, you can take to the like in any laptop or MacBook. You can connect it with all robotic appliances, lights, entertainment hub, remote locking, tracking. Everything is controlled by AI. There's just one tools and software. There you have to install your mobile, and you can get connected with all mobile. You no need to switch off your fan, lights on TV, fridge, refrigerator, anything. Everything you can control through your mobile. So that the feature of smartphone. Now I am coming to this. See, these all are the just I have explained what is application of AI. I now you have understand everything about the AI, like what exactly AI is working. But now it's come how AI is different and type of AI, because I don't want to go for the theoretical part of the type of AI. You have I make you interesting to understand. Okay, fine. The minimum these all are things are done by AI. So now I am coming to how the different activities done by which AI. Okay, if you understand that AI is there is a two part. The first is capability. Capability means what they can do, and the second is the functionality, what kind of function they can do. Capability means narrow, like narrow AI, that is called ANI also, and a general AI, and the third is strong. Okay, AI. Second is functionality is limited theory, theory of mind, reactive machines, and self-awareness. These all are the type. See, I'll tell you, this is not exact these type of, but there is a many more, because what happen in AI every 6 months or 1 year, some part is added in the capability, some part of the added in functionality. So this is just like generalized to understand the type of the AI, but there's a additional many more part, sub part of that part. But each 1 hour session is not enough to explain these all the part. But still, I try to explain these all to understand what is the different type of part. Okay, so now we have to understand this two part is narrow AI and general AI. Okay, narrow AI is a specific task, like if you instruct something they only do that part. Okay, but they have fixed domain model provided by the programmer, learn from the thousand of labeled example, reflexing a task with no understanding. Knowledge does not transfer from one domain to other domain, and it's today's AI. For example, I'll tell you, I'll say something to Alexa. Okay, Alexa, just play a song English song. So he will play the English song. They don't need to connect it with the other. They don't recommend any you recommended song. What they do, you have given the instruction, they will play songs. Suppose you are have a some kind of activities that, okay, fine, you have to who disk cleanup. Suppose in laptop you ask to okay clean on temporary file, they will clean your file. So that is called narrow AI. They don't need to connect it with others, just give the instruction, they will work. That is called narrow AI. Okay. Next is a general AI, perform human intelligence, self-learner, and reasons with its operative environment. What it means, when they can do something like what exactly you wanted to, and they also implement, they can think about that, and you can work on that. So that is called general AI. Learn from few example, and some data is unstructured, they can make them structured as per as your data input. Full range of cognitive abilities, leverage, transfer new domain and task. That is called the future of AI. So these kind of things is happen when human skills will be added into AI. That is called it is called general AI. Okay. Second is also the third part is the super artificial super intelligence. Basically, this is the ultimate AI where everything you can done. You can say the better than human is called super intelligence. Okay, if you consider, I have just given narrow. Narrow means what? Whatever the instruction given to you them, they will instruct them. General means they understand you, they can work as per as your requirement, as per as your need. So into the general AI. But when it's come to super intelligence, means they will work that you are not expected. Sometimes what happen, I have seen some people now here using a chatbot. What you don't, suppose you don't want to write a good email, you can type write a professional email to resignation. They will give you email format, and just you have to do change your name and something, name and date or something designation, and you can send to them. So that is how it's happened, because suppose you are not aware about that how to write an email, but ChatGPT suggested that this is the way that you can write the professional email to resignation. So that kind of things work in the super intelligence. Nowadays, many more company working on your conscious decision, emotional decision, beliefs, desire, cognitive behavior, like how people they behave on that. So that all are the part of the super intelligence AI. So this is the third part of that. Now we'll move to the functionality based on artificial intelligence. Mostly there's a four part of functionality. How its functionality will come: a reactive machine has no memory, only respond to the different stimulus. What it means reactive, like when something means you instruct, they will reply. That is called reactive. Limited, like they have a limited memory, they don't they don't have much skills to implement your response. It's come into a limited memory. Then the theory means when you give the some kind of situations, when you give some kind of activities to work, they can work and they can think and they can implement. That is part of the theory of mind, to understand your needs and your intelligence, and that after that they perform the AI. That is called the theory of the minds. And next part is self-aware, has a human-like intelligence and self-awareness. I'll tell you, you must be heard the news of people now, the in medical clinical sectors, people they start the operating. Okay, so operating means they have given the instruction to them how to operate. Suppose they are doing gallbladder operation, they do, because of how it's happened, because they understand the human beings layer of the skin that are going to be operated, where the, like for example, the found some stone, they get the stone, they operate, and they then again they get that stone, and again they will repair it. So that is called the functionality based artificial intelligence. Okay. Now these are just given example, but we can understand the reactive. Suppose you have a chatbot, is the reactive like a AI. Okay, a spam filter, reactive AI, recommended by some kind of Spotify or Netflix they are using in because we have to ask to play some songs and some videos. That is called the reactive AI. And theory of like if you understand the needs of intelligence, there we can use limited. Like chat gpt is a limited because they have given that they have collected data from online and they use that data because some that is called the limited example. You can understand the chat gpt, they are using a limited virtual assistants. Self-driving car is limited memory. You can understand like a self-driving car, no one has connected, they have everything, they have feed all the information, they have feed. Now they start driving car. So virtual assistants, you have given instruction, they will work on that. That is called limited memory. Self-awareness, there is no limitation. Everything they will done as per as your instruction. Out of them, they will also think about that what could be the better that already they have. Okay, so that is called self-aware. No, like AI. Do you think these all the functionality is very interesting? Okay, so just I have explained the brief about that AI. We can use other also lifestyle, business, healthcare, education, e-commerce, marketing, social media, gaming, human resource, robotics. There's a many more field. This is a few name. Wherever you want to implement, you can use AI into different sectors. Okay, so if you consider what will the future of AI, future is AI is deep learning. Deep learning, I'll tell you, I have just read some news maybe 2 or 3 years back. People now after the maybe coming year 5 to 10 years, you no need to install sim in your mobile phone. Just you have to get that like kind of sim insert in your body and you can get connected with that also. So deep learning, facial recognition, basically facial recognition is decided by pattern. So if something you want to change the clinical also, they can use the AI implementation part. Security purpose also we use the facial recognition. Automation task, data ingestion, quantum compounding, cloud computing, chatbots. These all are the features where we can use AI into different sectors. This is history. I don't think so. History is much useful, but still I can let you know if you people think that now the AI and ChatGPT start now, like 4 or 5 years back, but you think that it's not a 1 or 2 years or 5 years back. It started from 1950, a turning test done by a scientist is around 1950. Then after 5 years, the term is given by one like artificial intelligence term given first time. Then it's called Elijah is the first chatbot simulate the conversation had the psychotherapist in 1966. Then it's come to AI winter. Then after the first, if you want to consider the first successful use of AI, that a championship is happened there, where a deep blue, that a deep blue chess computer, that is a part of Narrow or AI bot. So there you can they win that chess competition by the use of AI. Like AI have started the competition. Then launched Siri. You must all are aware about that Siri. Then Watson supercomputer. Watson they were started. Then 2014 the Alexa is started. Then they started. Then Google launched AlphaGo. So after Alexa, like every there's an n number of AI things and tools implementation things started. So we are aware about maybe like 2010 and 2010 11 we started. So after that, n number of scientists, you can say the engineers, programmers, they collected the data and implement they are contributed to make artificial intelligence more powerful, and now it's become the super efficient to work anywhere. There is no limitation of any sectors. You can work anywhere. Okay, so if this is generally just I have explained through the AI opportunities, but as you are a college student, so must be aware about that what AI. Suppose you are doing some training in AI. So what is the courses you can do opportunity? So as an AI developer, you can work as a business and a intelligence developer, big data engineers, data mining analyst, AI ML developer, robotic scientist, software engineers, AI data analyst, research scientist. So these all are the career opportunity that you can go for after the completion of AI courses. AI courses is normally designed on the behavior that I already explained you what is the behavior AI. So, according to that, that decided by the courses. If you understand the professions, what exactly people they do. So machine learning engineers, the senior machine learning engineers, that designation I'm asking, machine learning manager, AI research scientist. If you work on ML engineer, if you work on computer vision engineer, so designation maybe the senior computer vision engineer, like a computer vision engineer, AI research and scientist. So these all are the name. For example, you work as AI research analyst, a scientist, senior AI research scientist, research lead, chief AI officer. So these all are the like part of machine learning, computer vision engineer, NLP engineers, AI scientist, robotic engineer, AI ethic consultant, AI product manager, data scientist. So these all are different career, from the freshers to like manager level that you can work and make a career in AI. Okay, and everything is fine with AI, but problem I'll tell you, I just explained everything is advantage features of the AI, everything. But one thing is I always seen in the future people they are get connected with me as a freshers when we are going to the college. People they are asking, people they are not getting the job in machine learning, data science or AI. So this is a problem. Who are getting a good job and package and salary, who have a experience. I'll tell you the real data. I cannot say just like explaining something to you. You can go to the naukri.com and I can show you the job things. For example, you want to go for as a data scientist. Okay, you can search anyway, you can go to search. I'm not taking any city or any experience. And now you can go there and you can see the date. Okay, from date wise, now you can answer if you are a college student, you are going for jobs, and in that case what happened, just people they have like mostly 2 to 3 years of experience. We can just consider. Now you can see the openings point of view. See business analyst. No. Uh, Now you can see the openings 2 to 6 year of business analyst, data scientist 4 to 9, uh, Python limit data scientist 5 to 9, database analyst 3 to 8, machine learning 4 to 6, 3 to 8, 5 to 10. You see, you can see your data on the job portal 3 to 8. Now you can let me know any job openings is for the freshers. This is the pain point when people they are going for job and they are not getting the, and like most of the institute they're asking you can come and you can take the course. You can ask as a fresher how much will get there and tell me the data. You can see that 3 to 8 year of experience, vision like computer vision engineer 3 to 8, data engineer 5 to 8, a data engineer 4 to 8. So this is the like like if as a fresher someone want to make career, it's very difficult to go into that these sectors. This is the only the pain point to this sectors. If you want to go for machine learning, okay, machine learning engineer, you can search. And you can go date wise why we recommend. So just you can see just now that just posted, so you can get a current data. See data scientist 5 to 9 years, machine learning 4 to 9, data scientist 5 to 10, 3 to 6. See the openings 8 to 10. So this is the real data. People like they think about that. Okay, fine. People have a students have a dream that I can like make a career in data scientist as a freshers, but it a little bit difficult to get into the job as a freshers. If you can learn, because see data like AI is not only one AI is a combination of electricals, programming, like human behavior, psychology, everything is mentioned. So most of the company what they think, they if they have a few years of experience, so they can understand real life, they can understand the implementation part, the project experience. So then you can work on that particular part of AI part, you are able to more efficient to work particular project. So that's why very few company they are hiring as a fresher. So this is the only the pain point in AI. In all sector, machine learning, data science, data scientist, data analytics, these are the futures. These all are the sectors. The problem. Rest everything is okay. There is no problem. Definitely, this is the future. We are going. We are adding to the futures. We'll get that all the information, and we will improve our technology, improve day by day technology through the AI, where we don't have to do anything and everything is done by our AI. Okay, so that will be done by I career things. So this is the things done by like just I explained the what is AI implementation, type of AI, future of AI. Just I have explained. Now, if you have any questions, then you can connect with your professors. They can ask the questions, and if it is required now, so I can give you answer to you. Now it's your sir. Now it's done from my side.
Ask, sir, one of our participant has asked one question, sir. I'll be asking that. How AI is used in research field? One second, sir.
AI is we use simply in data. For example, I'll take an example of COVID. Okay, COVID situation, what happened? So they collect that all people, they are to the all the diagnosis center. So how many people they are affected with the COVID, and what kind of medicine they are taking, what is the the DNA a basis of the things, and then they give the solution of that. Okay, fine, this kind of we have a suppose with they take sample, they have a suppose 1,000 people they are infected with AI. So out of them, how which medicine, which composition medicine is working, which is not working, and what is the adverse effect and good effect of that. So according to that, that analysis happen, and then they can use for make a create they can make a medicine. So that kind of happen in clinical trial also. Apart from the research also, same thing. See, if you understand the AI is only the part of the data, they take data, they understand data, and they can implement your solutions that give the AI in all the sectors.
Sir, one more question is there. Two questions are there actually. How
Mhm.
AI is used in higher education, and the same how sorry AI is possible in medical field.
Yes, yes. Now I already explained the people they are operating through the AI. People, I'll tell you, there is a one app there is a one app I Vidya.ai. There is a one AI app. Okay. On the because what happened nowadays in medical industry, what happened? Doctor they write a prescription. We don't understand the prescription. Only the medical representative they understand the prescription. So what happened that? So they want to finish that gap. So you have to upload their the prescription, and they will give you suggestion. So what kind of the problem it's happened. So if medical field is also they have giving the all the information depend on your disease. If you are feeling some suppose you are going to doctor, what happen, they will give you, oh, you have a some what is the fever, you have some weakness, you have some headache, so you have to give the all input. So same input you have to give the through the AI, and according to that input they will recommend you who kind of some suggestions, some medicines he will not suggest you medicine, he will suggest you some composition, and that particular composition you can connect with your like any chemist. So it's already there's a many more AI tools, they will give you solution in the medical field also.
Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Madam will hand over. I'll hand over the session to Madam Veena, madam.
Okay, I thank you for your questions. So session was very wonderful, sir. So it was very informative. And now I would like to call Srimati J. Scovaldi, madam, who is the senior head of the branch CNC Web Private Limited, Vijaypura, to share few words about this topic or webinar.
On. So the students from BC and BSc of Westfield College, we test from last 2 months. We test for the internship on full stack Python and also AI. Already we work from AI projects and they also know about this. AI. And today, Prashant shares the knowledge about the applications of AI, and also one more thing important that how they can make career in the AI field. I want to thanks for the DCA department for arranging this session because students with us from last 2 months and they have did so many programs on the Python and also they know about the algorithm and they have did some projects on the AI and but they don't know till they need knowledge how to use the AI and where they have to use the AI and some applications of the AI and also they have to know about the career in AI. So that this platform today they got more knowledge about that whatever things lag behind. Now they got some knowledge about that and also I once again thank for the DCA department also and Prashant sir for giving more knowledge and arranging the session. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Okay, sir. Now I would like to call our beloved principal, Dr. Y. Tamanna sir, for his presidential remarks.
Uh, Thank you, Veena Melligiri madam. Good afternoon, everyone present here. As we are near to the conclusion of this enlightening webinar on applications of artificial intelligence, I, Dr. Vaitamanna, principal of the host college, I am honored to present my remarks. At the very outset, I extend my sincere gratitude to our resource person, Professor Prashant Kumar, Business Development Manager, Shipra Private Limited, Pune. And I also thank our today's chief guest, Dr. UK Kovalli Madam, Branch Head and CNC Web Private Limited, Vijaypura. Just we have heard a very good learned speech by Professor Prashant Kumar, but I will do it little later. You know that we live in the age of where technology is transforming every aspects of our lives, and education is no exception. Artificial intelligence is a powerful tool that has the potential revolutionize the way we teach them and learn. Our resource person, Professor Prashant Kumar, Business Development Manager, Shipra Private Limited, has delivered a lecture on topic of applications of artificial intelligence in efficient and easy way. We are happy to say that it was a wonderful and informative session for the participants. I personally extend my appreciation to one more chief guest of our today's webinar, Srimati J.S. Kovalli, CNC Web Private Limited, Vijaypur. And I would like to extend my sincere thanks to Professor Gururaj Kulkarni, coordinator of BCA, and also the organizing committee members are Professor Raghu Kulkarni, Professor Veena Melligeri, Professor T.I. Sarwad, and Bargimat Madam, and also Karthik Power, and students of BCA who have worked tirelessly to ensure the success of this webinar. Your dedication and hard work are truly commendable. Finally, I thank all the participants for your active engagement and for making this webinar a resounding success. Your presence and contributions are what made this event so valuable. So, with this very few words, I conclude my presidential remarks. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you, sir, for
Thank
your
you so much.
presidential remarks, sir. Now I would like to call Kartik Pawar, sir, the faculty of BCA, to give the vote of thanks.
Uh, Good afternoon. I am Karthik S. Pawar, Faculty Department of BCA. I extend my thanks to the Prashant Kumar sir, Business Development Manager, Shilpa Private Limited Pune for his informative session. Next, I sincere thanks to the SMT Srimati J.S. Kohli, branch head of CNC Web Private Limited, Vijaypur, for her contribution to organize this webinar. I would like to thank our beloved President Dr. Y. Tamanna sir, Principal SMT Bangarama Sajjan Arts, Commerce, Science College for Women's, Vijaypur. I would thank to IPC Coordinator Professor V.S. Nandesh sir and Organizer Coordinator Department of BCA Professor Gururaj Kulkarni sir and other faculties and BCA faculties Advendra Kulkarni sir, Srimati Veena Meligiri madam and Department of BCA. I would thank all participants as well. Thank you.
Thank you, Karthik sir. It's the time to conclude the program. So I thank
Thank you,
all the
Prashant sir.
participants.
Thank you so much. Thank
Thank
you.
you so much, all of you, to inviting me for this session, and
Kovala
I
madam,
love.
thanks to you also.
Okay, sir. Hey. Certificate will be
Yes,
issued.
the feedback link has been shared in a chat box. Please go through that and fill the feedback link. The only who have filled the feedback link, they will get the certificates by tomorrow.